Good day everyone. In today's video, we will discuss and show you the MT020A Motorcycle dash camera's features, specifications, application, and configuration that can be useful for motorcycle owners to consider adding this safety device to their motorcycles. We often think that dash cameras are only for cars and other vehicles, but with our latest technologies and with the growing number of accidents and crimes involving motorcycles, these safety devices are now considered essential. QOHO's MT020A is a motorcycle dash camera that includes 1080p front road camera and a 720p rear camera. This device is also powered by Android and can be used as a real-time monitor for the included cameras. It has 1280x480 display resolution with 5-point touch capacitive screen for navigating the device conveniently. It features 4G connectivity and GPS function, which makes traveling easier. The MT020A has built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It also has USB port, SIM and SD card slot. In this part we will demonstrate the configuration of the MT020A for future users to understand.
Okay, when you connect the product, first you have to connect the camera to camera, and you have to insert TF card and SIM card in the device, so that then it will be working, otherwise it won't work. Okay, here you have to connect like this, and then it should be working. We use the Wi-Fi to online. Make the Wi-Fi is online open. We select device the Wi-Fi. You can see it's online. Yeah, it will be okay like this. We create device ID on your server IP. The username is motorcycle and device ID is 12 number, and then we set on the device. Click here and confirm. Just wait a few seconds, turn off the camera. Keep here setting and input the device ID. We have created on your server. Okay, we put the device ID thing on the server. Okay, confirm. And the user IP. Dot 20.218. The next port 66. Okay, and confirm. Back. And we have to make it power off. Okay. You want to see some video fast, you can hear here, and now it's one channel light. Like this. It changes to different channel.
I hope this video gives enough information on how a motorcycle dash camera works and how our MT020A could be a perfect choice considering budget and feature-wise. If you want to know more about our products and services, kindly like and subscribe to our channel. You can also check our website for new product updates. See you all again soon. Bye.